Hello everyone! I want to walk through an example with you of a 401k match calculation. This is an example of a question that will probably show up on the exam, so I want to walk you through this one and see if you can figure out how to modify it for our project. Your employer offers a 401k match of 50% of your contribution up to 6% of your gross salary. Note that I changed the wording a little bit here to clear it up. Your gross salary is $60,000 a year, and you plan to contribute $3,000 per year to the plan. This question wants to know, how much free money are you leaving on the table? Let's look at this calculation a little more in depth. What does the 50% up to 6% mean? The 6% of your gross salary is the maximum contribution to your 401k that your employer will be willing to match. If my annual salary is $60,000, then I am going to multiply that by 6% to get $3,600. This is my contribution to my 401k. Then, my employer is willing to match 50% of my contribution, or 50% times $3,600, which is $1,800. So I am going to contribute $3,600. My employer is going to contribute $1,800, and I will have a total annual contribution of $5,400 to my 401k. This is assuming you contribute the maximum up to the employer match, but in this example, you only contributed $3,000, not $3,600. Let's redo the calculation, assuming that you only contribute $3,000. Now, your employer is still going to match 50% of your contribution, so they will contribute $1,500. That means the total contribution will be $4,500. In total, your contributions decreased by $900. $600 of that was from you, and $300 of that was from your employer. That $3,000 is lost to you forever because you chose not to participate in the employer match. Now, you could argue that you have more money in your pocket to spend, but if you do not plan for retirement, then you will not have any money to spend when you have no way of earning income. How much would this $300 per year be worth if you worked at the company for 20 years? Don't forget that you would have raises, so it would be a larger savings per year. That is a lot of lost income because you did not contribute the maximum to your 401k.